So what is the rule-based post tagging? So here, that what is the rule actually? Some of the rules are there. So one of the most oldest rule in rule-based post tagging, that the taggers use dictionary, or you can say a lexicon, for getting possible tags for tagging each word. Okay. So if suppose a word has more than one possible tags hand, okay, then rule-based tagging is used if there is more than that. Okay. Or sometimes you have seen that, yes, in the word that we have to tag, and there may be some repetitions, as we have seen here that. Okay, this here. So for that we have to use that. What rule we have to apply for that? That's why it is called. Then the rule-based taggers uses handwritten rules to identify the correct tags. That where we have to. Sometimes we are writing that past of a speech we are giving. So sometimes we have just written that you blesses, then something like that. So in that way, that some rules are there. So this sometimes that is your disambiguous can also be performed in a rule-based tagging to analyzing the linguistic features of word along with its preceding as well as following words. So suppose we have a word of what is that is your some articles, then the word must be a noun. Suppose article, noun, and then pronoun, then some adjective and whatever. So determinants, article. So here it is called that some of the things are the word article. So word must be a noun actually. So as the name suggested, all kind of information in a rule-based post tagging code is coded in the form of rules. So these rules may be either what हो क्या हो सकते हैं, that context pattern rule, and then second is your regular expression compiled into a finite state automata, or that is your sometimes that is your if interested within lexical ambiguous sentence representation. So here for that we have two stages. Stages is there for this. If we are using some suggestions for the context pattern rules and regular expression compiled into the finite state automata. So first stage is that in the first stage we, as it is shown that they use some dictionary. So it uses a dictionary to assign each word a list of potential POS. Okay, that what are the list or that they what we have to assign. So for that they are preparing for the that some list for that. And second stage that it uses large list of hand-written disambiguous rules to sort down that list into the single POS for each word. Okay, so first stage that we are using, as it is shown that yes, we use some dictionaries here. Okay. And then if it is a large, then we have to each disambiguous is there. Then we use the second stage for the handwritten. Then, so actually, if we are saying that yes, rule-based POS tagging. So here that first stage and second stage, we know that here dictionary is used, here handwriting written disambiguous rules are there. So some of the properties are there for applying the rule-based post tagging. So these are taggers, which we have to tag. So taggers, rule-based tagger has some property. These taggers are knowledge-driven taggers, where we have to use it. Second is that rule-based POS tagging is built manually. As we have said that we have to make some list for that. And then information is coded in the form of rule. Yes, that which what rule we have to apply. So for that we have to put for which list and which word we have to. So there must be a rule must be performed in the form of code. And we have some limited number of rules, approximately around 1000 rules that what we have to apply in the linguistic features. So after that, in this during this rule for the rule applying the rules, then we do some smoothing, and language modeling is defined explicitly in the rule-based taggers. Okay, so you have seen that how we can apply the smoothing and what are the models are there. This actually this is the basic things are there. Okay, and second is that for applying rule-based, it is saying that there must be some knowledge driven, then we have to use manually it, and then we have coded in the form of rule must be coded in the form of code, and then we have some what are the rules are there actually. So we have thousands of rules are there, and then we apply for them.